Here we're given cosine of theta is equal to -5/13. And our angle is between those two radians, and we're asked to find sine of theta. So first thing here, really quickly, the trig identity that we're going to need is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And basically, I'm given cosine, so I'm just going to plug this value into that trig function. So what that means, it's going to be sine squared theta plus -5/13 squared equals 1. And now I'm just solving for sine of theta. So that means is that I'm going to square this here. I'm going to get sine squared theta plus a negative times a negative is a positive 25/169 equals 1. And I'm going to subtract 25/169 from both sides. And don't forget that 1 is just the same thing as 169/169. So when I subtract those two, I get sine squared theta equals 144/169. I take the square root of both sides, and I get sine of theta equals 12/13. Now remember, when you take the square root, it's either positive or negative, and what's going to tell me if it's positive or negative is the angle right here. So it's telling me that it's between 3 pi over 2, which is right here, and 2 pi right here. So that means it's in quadrant 4, where the cosines are all positive and the sines are all negative, and therefore my final answer is sine of theta equals -12/13.